this is the particular place. Not in that documented place. This is like a port. Yes, yeah. This is the place. This is Chombutality. Alleyway, and this is our mother. We call Ayaya. Formerly, we used to call a grown-up woman that is an aged woman. We used to call Aya. That, yes, Aya. That is the meaning. So one cannot understand, but that is the truth. This is Alleyway and Ayaya. And
Alleyway is the father.
Yes, Alleyway is the father of Tiv, and then Ayaya.
Ayaya is the mother of Tiv.
Is the mother of Tiv.
Wow.
You can
and
see.
you made mention of something that the centered one represents what?
Is swim now.
Swim.
Yes, swim. That is what our forefather used to worship. That is. Let me just put it in this way. That is. No one can play with that thing. If your yes is yes, it's good. But if your yes is no, you discover that maybe you will not meet the next day. Yes. It will swell up your legs and your tummy, and then you will have a serious headache. Yes, at the same time you will just give up the ghost.
So if you commit anything that they bring you here, and you not say the truth,
and then this thing will catch you. If you cannot say the truth, you discover your legs will started immediately to swell up at the same time, and then headache. That is the meaning of this. So this is, you can see this room. If you go inside, you discover that there is nothing inside. The secret there is that we have 5 seats inside here. Even though if they open the door for you, you cannot see them, but there is a 5 seat inside.
5 seats inside? Yes. And if they open that one,
you cannot see the seats, but there is a seat. 5. Presenting our forefathers. Writing here is Yali Tapuku, in which the father of Tiv, and that Anyamazinga is the wife of Tiv, the wife of Tapuku. Those are the 2 people that born Tiv, and Tiv now came to born Alleyway and Ayaya. Just like that, and here we now in Benue. So we can still bring them.
Dark and lovely, art is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. Dimma Arts and craft, we capture nations, alluring beauty. Dark and lovely, art is beautiful. Dark and lovely, is beautiful.
Here is where we used to treat people. And this place you are seeing here, this place has underground. You can be here, reach Lagos. Yeah. Inside here, you can be here, reach Yola. You can be here, under here, reach any part of Nigeria. That is the secret. So here now you can see this thing now. It is a white man that came and did this thing. He put an example here because of what the problem he was facing. He has his father and his mother. He married a wife. About 18 solid good years, the wife doesn't give birth to him. So he now took the wife here, and then this is the water. They came and fish the water here. You can see there is a water here. And that water you are seeing there You can see a water here. But it's just because we have a heavy rain that now come close this thing. You can see sand. We even patch from outside, but it's still there. Even if not, this thing used to flow down there. There is a stream down there. This water used to flow down to that stream. So this water here now, whatever, any sickness you have, and they give you this water, it will heal you. You will be cured. And then they now fetch this water and give it to that woman. That woman takes the water, the white woman. And then he takes the water, he now pour the water on the ground here. And just that piece of sand there. That's all. She now went back and gave to the baby boy. So when that white man came here back, he did not know what he can do here to be a sample to him. That is why he began to do this. White man that yes, we call it swim now. It's just like the other one you have seen there. Yes. That is it. No, it doesn't dry at all. That is how you can see this water the rainy season.
It will remain like this.
Rainy season, dry season. Just season. Like if you can go in Lagos, you see there is one place in Lagos. I go there, I see water used to go and come back, used to go and come, just like that, on and off, on and off. This is how this thing is. It cannot dry at all. And there are some things here. You can see we have a marmot here. You can see there's a big strength here. We have many things. We have big fish here. If the water can now come up a little bit, you would understand me with me. Yes, you will see many things here. What you are seeing here. All this place you are seeing here is underground. Under is empty. Goes here, you see a lot of things. You see this road, you see many things here. We call this water Ichi. That is medicine, general medicine. What in any kind of sickness, this water is. Anybody from any state. Now come here. Yes. Now come here and take the water. Or if possible, we can use the water to bath you. And you see that all your problems will be solved. What you are seeing here. Even now, this evening, I'm coming to you. There is one man I'm coming to you. It's like around 9:30. I will come with the man here. To walk on here. And I will use the same water to bath him later on. Because if I do the work after 6 days, you cannot touch water for 6 days. He will be drinking, but the water to touch him behind cannot for 6 days. Another human being cannot touch him for 6 days. After that, I will not take him here to water and bath him.
For 6 days, water will not touch his body.
You cannot use any water to touch his skin.
And nobody will touch him.
And nobody will touch him.
He will just be inside the room.
Inside room.
For 6 days.
For 6 days. That is what we do.
That's for treatment.
Yes, it's for treatment. It has a lot of problem that is disturbing. At the same time, some other spirits that he doesn't understand them, so I have to come and watch them out. He came with a lamb. You can saw a lamb there. We saw a big lamb there. Yes. That is the lamb. So I'm coming to work with him here.
So people come from different places?
Different countries, not places. Different countries used to come here.
Not only your tribe?
Not only my tribe. We have Idoma here, we have Igala, we have Igede, we have Hausa, we have different kind of languages here. Inside that compound. They are even now, as I was talking, they are there. So that is it. Here, that water you can see there in that tree used to flow down here. And then there is a hole inside here.
Oh.
Yes. This place you are seeing here, there is a hole here. From here, reach that under that tree.
Okay, that connects to that place.
Yes, it has connected. You can see a sample of this.
And this place is dry, but there's still water. That
Yes. And that water used to flow down here is because of the sound I was telling you. We have a heavy rain here that packed sound from nowhere and blocked that place. You can see that we packed some, but it has still remained there. So here is a river. You know, there are so many things we have there. They used to come down here and play. When there is a, you can see that place. Water used to fill up here, full up there. See this thing, it's a sign of water. Water used to fill here. So they used to come down here and play. Sometimes they, you know, they burrow inside here and then go back. Have many snakes here, big snakes, very big snakes here. And then we have the marmot here, so big fish. We have that very big catfish that can swallow about 2-3 people.
Yeah.
You can find it here.
Once.
Yes.
What has happened here before, like in the past, or maybe they were doing our ancestors thing?
Yes. When you have any problem, you are coming here with clean heart. You came here and you deserve. But if you are coming double-minded, like just the other time, one person came here, came inside. You know, he was having people one side, and when he get inside here, he discovered a very big snake here, and that snake pursued him out. So if you have something in mind bad, you cannot come in here. But if you are coming, you are sick, you are seeking for something, okay? You will be clean. Nothing will happen to you. You cannot say anything. You talk whatever you want to talk. You say whatever you want to say. If you have offering, you give there, and then you drink that water and go away. Your problem will be solved.
So because you came with bad mind, something bad in your heart and it's not to do with it.
Yes, it is the evil that you take inside you that the snake doesn't want it. Because this place you cannot see that we are barefooted. We doesn't put our slippers, our shoes. It's because of the holiness of this place. This place is a holy place. You cannot take your slippers inside it. Yes, it's a holy place.
That time we stepped to the other side, I was seeing something like this.
Yes, there is a bees there, and that bees is meant for tip. It's the bees that we use the bees for many things. For example, now if we have a crisis, like another nation want to come and attack the Tiv nation, and we have to now go into crisis. We have to fight. Go into fight. Now we use the bees to help us the fight. And I believe that even if you are standing here, if one bee sting you here, you cannot stand here. Even this thing, you will just throw it away and start it. Yes, that is why the bees is there. It's not we use it whenever we want to use it. Yes. You know, we go closer there, but no bees harm us. No bees came and disturb us. We still there, we talk, we do this sort of things that we want to do. Because we are clean and we are clean hearted. We have real body. We are doing something that God wants to do. And they know that what God was saying is not evil. So that is it. This is here we call it. But this of the street is one. Very, very good. There is a dam up here. You can see that a little here there. To the other side, there is a dam there. So this stream now passes through the dam. It passes through there. So whenever it is rainy season, the water used to flow through to the stream and through inside the dam and then pass like this. And then follow
stone in that dam
In
there.
that dam.
You throw a stone, it will not cross to the other side. The stone will go and come back.
Come back.
Of course. The dam is here. Look at the dam here.
Look at it.
It's the same place.
He cannot
Just go.
cross.
If you can go and try it now. Yes.
He cannot
If you
cross.
can go and try it now, if you throw a stone, it will not cross. It will go and come back and meet you.
I don't try to try. Hey, like if you throw a stone, it will
It will
go
go
and
and
come
come
back.
back. Just whatever you do to it, it will come back to you.
Hey.
Just like that place I was telling you in Lagos now. If you just throw something there like key, like this phone, you throw inside it, you take it back.
Yeah. When you talk of culture, there's culture here. Let's go.
We should go. It's not far. Let's try and see.
Okay, we go there. Okay, let's go down.
Oh, I'm tired though.
Let's manage and go to
I'm
the
very tired though.
Dark and lovely, art is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. Dimma Arts and Craft, we capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely. Art is beautiful, dark and lovely. Art is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. Dimma Arts.
something. Oh. Hey.
There is some big fish here. Very big fish. That if you can kill one here, maybe it will bring 911 here.
To carry it.
Yes.
Only one.
Only one.
Only one fish. This place was
I would like to give a little breakdown of the reason why we call Boko was the Chumbutai. You know, in ancient time, when the Tiv people, our ancestors were looking where there would be an headquarter of the Tiv people, where there is Tiv people that was their main centered settlement of their ancestors. They go around the state and they discover that Boko is the only heartbeat town where there should be a center of the Tiv people, where the Tiv kingdom is going to be. Because one, Boko is well blessed with full of water, energy. Both the male and the female at times here in Boko, they feel much comfortable to relax here, and they have not been able to travel far and wide because everything you need necessary in this life, you have it. And when at times you see visitors from afar, like even some students, when they posted them here as youth corpers, when they served here in Boko, they feel at home and they wouldn't like to even go back to their various places. Like you can see, Benue with Benue here, we are even sharing boundaries with the Easts, the Igbos, and you see a lot of people they are pretty comfortable here. Some of them are even indigenous of this place because they have nowhere to meet up. So the reason why Boko, remaining Boko and Boko is blessed is because Boko has everything and there's water. Even up to now you can see even this dry season. You can see a whole of everywhere. You can see water is flowing. This is not a river. It doesn't flow. It doesn't go to anywhere, and the water doesn't dry.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
I'm trying to see if there's anywhere.
And there's a brief history. There's a brief history about this particular place where we stay. We call it Tepu. Tepu is a place, it's an ocean that doesn't dry, that has a lot of things, even spiritual things that goes on. Like there's a history where they were about to even create this highway. There was a particular tree that was in the middle of the road. Why the contractors, the white men, Julius Baker, they were trying to create this road, and without consulting the oracles of this land, even the owners of this place were we call it batari. They have not consulted them in a traditional way. So when the white man will now move, there's a very big tree that was even in the middle of the road. So when they want to move the tree out of the road so that they can be able to construct the road, they will move the tree and throw it far away inside the bush. They will now go and rest for the day. When they come back the other day, they will now find the tree back.
You will not find the tree back there.
In the middle of the road. That is the tree.
That is the particular tree that you can see water under it.
Yes,
that
water is coming out.
Okay, that particular tree that's not water
Yes,
under.
that is
the tree.
That is the tree.
Yeah. So until there was someone when they fight the tree, they did everything that they could do to move the tree away from the middle road, and there was no way until they have to go back to the source and they make some consultations. They make the gods, they please the gods, and some consultation was being made, and that was the reason why they have to allow the tree. They diverted the tree. It should not be on the middle road, and they begged for the tree, and the tree now decided to come, and that's the tree that the water is coming out. So this is the reason why we call this place Tiv. Yes. Yeah. So this is the heart, the heart of the Tiv kingdom, where they performed their ritualists and their ancestors, and a lot of they please the ancestors and the rest, and so many things happened here. And that's why they were telling you that water coming out from the tree, you drink it, it will solve your problem, it will cleansen your body, and it will give you more. In fact, it will wipe away your problems.
Even spiritual.
Even spiritual.
Yeah.
So as we're speaking, like this same water we are standing on here, we call it the same water, like when the Benue cement factory was going on in those days. They used to bring out the manufacturers used to bring out the product. They don't wash it anywhere. They wash it into this water, because when it goes to the markets, it was the highest product.
It doesn't waste time.
It doesn't waste time.
Sharp.
That Benue cement was the highest product in this country, where everybody was even. You can remember in those days they were talking about Benue cement.
Then what happens to the cement?
Well, the cement has been. So how I witness now is they've been written Dangote cement. They are taking, yes, maybe are taking share of it now that the cement is belonging to him. Well, we don't know really deep in that side, but what we understand is the cement was being purified here before it would go to the market. Yes. So this very water, we call it Teko, and when you throw stone to it, look at this edge, even this angle here. If we wanted to throw a stone to cross the other side, the stone will not go to anywhere. It will still come back and meet you here. Yeah.
You know where the ear is coming from.
Wow.
Yes. So that is indeed why you see some of us, like me, the cultural ambassador of Benue State. I'm King Zazayo. I hail from Vandeke local government area of Benue State. I'm from Bawa in Badede Council Ward, from Vandeke local government area of Benue State. But I based here and I reside here. Being an international performing artist, I do travel to any corner and node of this country, but I make sure I must definitely come back here, because I'm dealing with a tradition. I'm promoting a unique tradition. I'm going out with a unique tradition of our Tiv people, where I can introduce it in other places, in other far and wide, in the maybe other countries. And that is why we say our focus is to promote the Tiv cultural heritage in Africa and beyond. But once you do it, there's a saying, charity begins at home. So we must definitely come back here to receive our blessings. And the Dimma said, ka we hi undu ya
Over the
na de yawo.
Meaning you start.
Yeah, exactly.
You start to mad, you first born
A
your
fresh
house.
madness started in your home, and you
start
must
born-
prove
born
it in your own. You born your house, so that when the people you are really mad, when you get to other places, they'll say,
will
no,
not
don't
say
beat
yes.
him, don't beat him.
Yeah,
Even his house is
somebody
burned.
mad at
Yeah.
Interesting. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this
Yeah.
wonderful history.
You're
I've
welcome.
learned a lot from
Yes, thank you very much.
I wouldn't have been here if not because of history and culture, honestly.